All right, good morning everyone. I'm forecaster Todd the Allender. You thought yesterday was cold. Well, I tell you what, think again. Look at these numbers for proof. Everyone is sitting in the 40s, 49 in Sarasota and in Bradenton. Good morning to you in Boca Grande. It is 49 degrees, 45 the cool spot in Wauchula, but that's only half the story because when you factor in the winds of say 9, 10, 11 miles per hour out of the northeast, it feels even cooler. So shade off a few degrees of those temperatures and that's what you get for real feel wind chills. For example, it's 40 degrees is what it actually feels like in Venice. Same for Northport, 41 in Fort Ogden, 46 in Lakewood Ranch. So bundle up, the kids and yourself, as you head out to work and school this morning. It's going to be a very chilly start. But unlike yesterday morning, we're going to see complete sunshine once the sun does come up, and that's going to warm us up pretty quickly. We'll see high temperatures in the low range of the 70s, and it's going to be a very pleasant afternoon. Clear skies, as I mentioned, and that really allowed us to cool off overnight, and that's why we're in the 40s. Not the coldest night of the season. We were 40 degrees on Thanksgiving morning, but still a very chilly start to the day compared to where we've been lately. Pleasant afternoon is in store because of all that sunshine. Milder days are ahead, though, as winds begin to shift later this week. I'll talk about that in the 7-day forecast in a moment, but for now, dry air is just settling into the region. This is a snapshot of the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. Above our heads, the orange colors indicate the very dry air, stable air, so sunshine, lots of it to go around today. But lots of cool stuff as well. High temperatures will only top out in the low range of the 70s. So again, grab the jacket as you head out the door this morning. We're in the 40s. Lunchtime will be at 61 degrees, but here's how we'll finish. 72 for the afternoon high here in Sarasota, 73 there in Northport, and 74 here in Fort Ogden for the high temperatures today. And then in the U.S., we do have elsewhere up north some snow flying due to a little system coming down from Canada, but that is going to move out before we have some milder weather returning to the region tomorrow and into the rest of the week, and that's going to arrive here along the Sun Coast as well. 72 today if you're heading to the beach, a little cool, but water temperature is even cooler than that. And if you're going offshore, northeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots. Here's your tide information coming up on low tide at Sarasota Bay just before 10 o'clock at the Charlotte Harbor. 7-day forecast shows a warm up. In fact, by Friday, we'll be at 82 degrees. Saturday, the first day of winter, 84 degrees here across the Sun Coast. Rain chances return early next week. Let's take a look at traffic now with Chuck Whitaker.